Alright guys, continuation video. So the 3000, the brake line worked, drove it all last night, hung out with the guys, and today I'm gonna run over to Kendrick's right now and meet up with him, and then I think we're gonna end up going over to Coyle's house because he is putting coilovers on his Foxbody because we're finally trying to get him to come out and drift with us with the Foxbody. So suspension was first on the list that he needed, so we're gonna do some coilovers at his house, and then Formula Drift is on today, Formula Drift Long Beach. So I think we're having a little viewing party at Coyle's house as well. So we'll probably be there most of the day. So let's go. All right, so I'm currently sitting in Coyle's garage. And we're watching Formula Drift downstairs, but it's the intermission for the next like 2 hours or so. And we're putting coilovers on his car. The front have been a struggle because it's an old car. It's an 88 Foxbody. So we got the old stuff in before. There's a spring that sits right here in between the control arm and the upper spring perch here. And then there's just a shock. We got all that stuff ripped out. We got the new Raceland coilover in here. So it converts it to a true coilover, as opposed to the spring strut setup. The rear will still be a spring strut setup, and we're going to move back there as soon as we finish this up. All we had to do basically once we took everything out was swap the strut top mount, which is right here, and reassemble everything. So it's all back together, and we're trying to get this done before Formula Drift comes back on in 2 hours. I think it's plenty of time, because now we're pretty much to the stage in the front, which was the hardest part of just reassembling everything, and we shouldn't really run into any issues from here on out. Money.
Is that back wheel on the ground?
Yeah.
Oh. Got any Chicago style? Yeah, dude. Sockets.
It's all about the deep dish sockets.
It's all about the deep Uno sockets, dude.
What is this song? I feel like it hasn't ended.
This never ends. Feels like it never ends.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's literally just like the same beat all the way through. Pop those guys out. That way when we lift the car, it'll just...
They'll fall right out.
Yeah.
Let gravity do the work.
Yeah. Alright. I can see that nice fresh coilover.
So excited!
Coils.
Isn't that crazy looking with no spring though?
I love it.
My mind.
It looks good. Can I crank this all the way down?
I forgot this is the test now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you the sketchiest thing in the world.
Why are you touching my
I
hand?
don't know, I thought you were handing me something.
Wait, I had something.
They jacked the control arm up
What's the top?
using a socket.
We're doing scary things.
Wait, where's the nut?
Dude, they jacked the control arm up using a socket because the jack wasn't tall enough.
It's fine.
Look at that. That is literally the definition of sketchy.
Alright, well the top bolt's on, so
Wow,
you can...
talk about a party fail.
It's on wood, dude.
What's the wood under there?
Alright,
This whole setup's ridiculous.
so we're gonna bring her down now.
You might want to get your head out of there.
It was legitimately lifting up the car with this socket.
Kendrick is so disappointed in all of us.
It's working. We don't have the technology.
This isn't an SD Pro 2 team. Even though we're on the team. Oh god.
Yeah, dude.
Oh god.
This is your Pro 2 team. This is your Pro 2 team in action.
This is why I'm the cameraman.
No, this guy goes on top.
I'm only full speed or no speed? Coming down.
There it goes. Oh, now it's lowering.
Oh, it's a sway bar. That's what was doing it. Coil.
Is it down all the way?
Yeah. That'll settle.
It will settle. Those helpers might come out eventually.
Yeah, but it's still gotta roll and it's set all the way up. How much more can you lower before the helpers go out? Just jump on the hood.
It's lowered all the way.
That's lowered all the way without the helpers?
Yeah. Alright, so.
I can, as soon as I load it, I can hear the disappointment from the side of the room. The silence was just like, you sure it's all the way down?
So the front's finished, got the front on the ground. I ran home.
Shut the fuck up.
They all finished the rear. Kendrick's struggling.
No, I'm not. Fuck you.
About time he starts working today.
It's not BC coilovers. I don't know how you
So the left rear's done. They're finishing the right rear, getting the strut and all hooked up, and then the car's gonna go on the ground completely, roll it out of the garage, and see what it looks like. It will settle, so it's not sitting at the lowest it will be, but a couple days of the car sitting on the suspension will settle it.
Yeah, if you just tuck the spring down, it's probably good.
Yeah. It does look good. Oh yeah. Some fine adjustment necessary.
Holy shit, this thing got so much lower.
Yeah, compared to stock, definitely.
Oh my god.
Good luck getting out of the driveway.
The front's not that much lower, but I am gonna be scraping ass all the way in.
This is not floor.
No, it was in my hand. She literally just brought it down. Oh my god.
Are you trying to make me fat?
Yeah.
I just had like 6. So.
Turks
Yeah.
killing
I'm
it
not
though.
pregnant, I'm just eating good.
Right. She's making me fat so other girls think you're ugly.
Lovely.
I do this